Samahan niyo ako sa isa na namang adventure. Tara't magluto, kumain at gumala. Ako si Jeff and welcome to my channel. Tara, sama ka? Okay, so hatiin na natin sa gitna yung mga cake natin para malagyan natin ng filling. Gamit itong knife sa gilid. Padaanan mo lahat ng knife ng gilid. Ayan. Okay, mapapansin nyo, sobrang lambot ng ating chiffon cake. This is my recipe since 2014, kung ako nagkakamali. Lambot guys, sobrang floppy. We will be using Everwhip. Tapos since that is lemon, gusto ni Julia ng strawberry jam, ay strawberry flavor. So yung ating whipping cream or yung parang ating mousse sa loob ng cake is gagawin nating strawberry flavor. So I'm using Clara Ole strawberry jam. Okay? So make sure yung bowl ng mixer natin is naka-chilled na. So this is chilled. Chilled bowl. Ito nyo, may ano pa, may yellow pa. So buksan na natin agad. Mag-whip na tayo agad ng ating cream. Gusto ko siya kasi hindi siya ganun ka-heavy yung kanyang texture or fatty. Okay. Lagyan na natin sa mixer. Habang chilled pa yung ating bowl. Tapos, start natin mag-whip ng mabagal lang muna, no? Speed 4 muna for about 1 minute. So, gradually, lagyan na natin yung speed, no? Taasan natin yung speed ng ating mixer. So, let's check. Medyo malambot pa siya. Ayan. So at this stage, pwede natin ilagay yung ating jam. So I will be putting siguro about 3 tablespoons.
Hello guys!
Hello guys!
Can you take some?
Later. So at low speed, no, lagay natin tong ating jam.
Yeah. Yes, parang dami nilalagay mo.
3 tablespoons. Siguro gawin na natin 4 tablespoons, no? Para masarap-sarap talaga siya. Don't put your hands, ha? Kung ganito yung klaseng mixer na gamit nyo, pwede nyong i-put down. Don't touch it.
Yes, I know. I cannot see. Oh, it's turning to strawberry.
I think that's enough. No, stiff na siya. Then taste.
Let's taste it, guys.
Very stiff na, guys.
Hey!
Pag nagka-clump na siya sa ating wire wheels, pwede na siya. Taste mo.
Yeah, I will give one to Mom.
Okay. Okay, so ito yung ating na-prepare na dummy cake, no? Para mas mataas yung ating cake na gagawin. So this is 10 inches din, 10 by 2. Tapos this is 7 by 2. So lagyan na natin yung ating icing.
Ang tawag. Ang tawag. Ang tawag.
Para hindi lang dumulas yung ating cake.
Tata, ang tawag.
Anong anchawap?
Ang tawag na. Tawag. I want help.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait.
My God, that's many grow. Grow. that's too much. I think you're going to ubos it.